हाय एवरीवन, सो आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ बेस्ट फाउंडेशन फॉर बिगनर। और इफ यू आर समवन हु जस्ट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इनटू मेकअप एंड कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट द फाउंडेशन दैट यू शुड pick, the best you can pick for yourself is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Foundation comes in a very good packaging. It's a glass bottle. It also has this pump to dispense the product. Total 18 shades are available in this foundation and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Its texture is quite runny and liquidy and it is extremely easy to blend. This foundation gets spread very easily. If I talk about the fragrance, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation does have chemical smell, but it doesn't bother me at all and goes away in seconds of application. I really like the coverage of this foundation. It's medium to high coverage foundation जिसको आप build कर सकते हो. It is quite buildable without looking cakey. The only problem with this foundation is that it tends to get oxidized a bit if you layer it too much. If you are a dry skin person, then you must moisturize your face properly before application of this foundation. As it's a matte foundation, you can feel little dryness on your skin, but this foundation is great for combination and oily skin. This foundation also contains a clay formula which actually absorb the oil from your skin. One pump of foundation is just enough to cover my entire face. Dot it all over your face, and to blend this foundation you can pick any tool. You can use beauty blender or you can use your brush, and if you have oily skin you can blend this foundation with help of your fingers as well. If you are a beginner, do not apply too much at once because you always have this option to build it. I'm blending this foundation with help of my beauty blender. When it comes to this foundation, I just love every bit of the blending process. You can blend this foundation very effortlessly. It's so easy to blend that even beginners can end up giving it a flawless finish. What I like most about this foundation is it has a decent staying power of around 6 to 7 hours, and you do have option to increase the staying power with a primer and makeup fixer. So if you are planning to attend a party or something, then maybe you can go ahead with this foundation along with the primer and fixing spray. It gives you beautiful matte finish, and the moment you set this with loose powder, it actually looks so flawless. For loose powder, you can pick Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder because this powder actually goes very well with this foundation. As you can see, this foundation has already covered all of the acne scars and pimple marks that I have on my face, and my skin is looking very healthy and natural. And most of the foundation actually gives you breakout, but this foundation never gives you breakouts. It never clog your pores. It's already dermatologically tested, comes with SPF in it, and completely safe for teenagers, college going girl, and for everyday foundation look. I hope you found this video helpful. Hope you like. Follow for more. Bye bye.